Hey everyone, it's Anna, and today I'm going to show you this design I created for one of our custom cut blanks. So I actually created 4 colorways of this design that you can see here, and then this design is interchangeable with some clip art from Creative Fabrica to kind of customize it and make it your own. So the first thing we're going to do is head on over to creativefabrica.com. I'll drop the link in the comments, and it is an affiliate link that you can purchase this bundle, or you can sign up for a subscription, and your first month is only $1, and you get access to all kinds of designs. So after we download that, then we're going to obviously extract the files, and you get all these really adorable jungle themed clip art files. I'm going to pull in this little warthog pig guy for my design and basically just drop it in there and size it appropriately. And this is the interchangeable part, so you can pull in any of those animals from that clip art bundle into this cute jungle themed background. So there's a whole bunch of different animals, and I'm just showing a few of them here of the different options, and then also the different colorway designs. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of choices, and this is just a small sampling of them. So we're going to head back to our little warthog here for purposes of the design that I am going to print out. And our next step is going to be our name. So this little splash at the bottom here, you can add a name to customize it. We all know that custom items definitely sell for a higher premium than just very generic items. Sometimes generic items are what people want, but a lot of the time people will pay that premium price for a custom item. And I'm just going to kind of look for a font that I like here. This one's cute. And this is for a baby girl who was actually born in Hawaii. And so I thought the little warthog pig with the Hawaiian flowers and the tropical theme went perfectly for this girl. And I am showing this in Affinity Designer. Obviously, you can use whatever design program that you wish. The design files are PNG files with transparent backgrounds. So you'll be able to pull them into it and use whatever design program you want. I am using Affinity Designer. That's the program that I have taken a liking to and use the majority of the time now. So I'm just kind of coloring it to match the design a little bit and pulling in some of that purple from the leaves, making it a little bit more pink for a baby girl. And then once I have it exactly where I want it, it's ready for print. And for the sublimation acrylic, it's really important you do not mirror. Alright, so we have our design printed, and here is our laser cut blank that fits this custom design here. So the first step that we're going to do is remove the film on the white side only. We are going to press this, like I said, you're not going to mirror it. You're going to press it with the white side down on the design, and so you can see the design facing up through the acrylic. And once you get it placed where you want to tape it really well. That way there's no shift in your design or anything. And you will notice that I didn't do any design at the bottom part. That's the part that's going to stick into our base. So there doesn't need to be a design. Once it's all taped, you're going to flip it over so the paper is up. And then, of course, you want either another piece or just fold over your piece in order to protect your upper platen of your heat press. I press this acrylic at 365 degrees for 45 seconds. You want to do a lower temperature as it's going to help prevent the warping. However, if it does warp, then no worries. Just make sure you put something heavy on top while it cools down before you remove the transfer. And then that way it's nice and flat for you. After it's cool, we're going to remove the tape. Get all the random pieces of tape off. I kind of over taped this. You could also use an adhesive spray if you wanted to. And then you can see how beautiful and bright and colorful it is, but just wait until I remove that film. This is one of my favorite parts, is revealing the final product. So after you get that film removed, and I don't have any nails right now, so this is a little bit more difficult. And some of the film, it might be a little bit sticky. You can always wash it. But now look how even more bright and beautiful and colorful it is. So then you're pretty much done. This is the base, and it's going to slide into the base, and the base lights up. It kind of snaps into place. You kind of have to wiggle it a little bit to get it down in there because it just fits in there perfectly. And then you have a really cute light up display or nightlight or whatever you want to sell it as. This is a super hot item right now. I've seen them in a lot of different places, but they're all generic, not customized like this, and definitely not a custom shape. So there you have it, the finished product, and then let's take it over to the light box, plug it in, and see what it looks like all lit up. So I hope you liked this video and get a little bit of inspiration for your own creation that you might want to make. And these blanks and design are available at pnwblanks.com, and I will drop all the links in the comments below. How freaking cute is this? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!